Hello and thank you for joining me on the Waters and Stanton video channel again. We'd like to bring you the latest news. This is a very short news flash. ICOM have announced the retail price of the IC-7760 is going to be £5,700. Now that is a pretty firm price. It won't be finally confirmed until probably the arrival of the gear or when it's actually been shipped, but it's a pretty good indication, and my guess is that that will be the price. Sharp intake of breath from some, I know, but others really want to know what the price is, so let you know there. The other news from ICOM is that the IC-7760 will definitely be on display at the Newark Hamfest, 27th and 28th of September. By the way, I noticed that the Ham Fest closes at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so don't leave it too late to arrive. So yes, if you want to look at the IC-7760, it's going to be on the stand, and I'm sure that if you're interested in buying one, we'll be happy to talk about a price, and if you've got a part exchange, I'm sure we can talk about that as well. So if you're thinking about the ICOM IC-7760, either give us a call now or have a chat at the Newark Hamfest. Also will be the ID52 Plus, which is an upgraded version of the ICOM radio, which we've mentioned previously on this channel. There's also the mobile, the A2730, hope I got that right, which is going to have a black screen. I'm not quite sure what that is. I presume it's white on black, I don't know, but it's going to make it more sophisticated apparently. That will be on display as well. Yaesu are desperately trying to get the FTX-1F, their new super duper portable QRP, call it what you like, radio, HF through to 77s. I can try and get one of those over so you can have a look at it. It's not definite yet, but they are hoping that they can pull it off. So that's another reason to come to Newark. But as soon as I know that, I'll let you know. We don't have a price on that at the moment, and I don't think we should have a price on that until right at the end of the year. So I'm afraid you have to wait on that one. But hopefully there will be a display model. Anyway, as I say, as soon as I know, I'll let you know. So I thought I'd just let you know the breaking news that we've just received. Thanks for your support on this channel. You take care, and I'll keep you up to date and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.